welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about how to search a job. This video is very generic, not related to only IT field specific, or it is not only for fresher but also for experience. So those who are looking for a job and they are struggling in searching a job, so this video is going to help you a lot. Now, while you're looking for a job, what you look for? Basically, you look for your profile based or the company specific job, right? Profile based means suppose you have some skills, some qualification, your desired profile, and you want any company, and just on the profile based, you want that job in any company, not company specific. So, this is called company profile based job, and the second is now, company based means suppose I want to get a job in Amazon only. Suppose Amazon, I want a job in Amazon or some other company. So this is called company specific. So how you look for it matters a lot. So you should definitely know how to look for a profile based or a company specific job. So these are some my favorite platform which I use to search for a job. The first I have ranked so these I have ranked it as per my experience. So the first option is Google Job Search, the second is Naukri, third is LinkedIn, and fourth is HackerRank or Hacker Earth Job. So if you don't have profile in all these, you should create a profile in these platform and you should look for a job. I won't say Google's job search, but I would rather say Naukri, LinkedIn, or Hacker Earth. If you do not have any profile, then you should create it. Basically, HackerRank, Hacker Earth is for the IT people, more specifically for the IT people. But the Google job search, Naukri, or LinkedIn, these are very generic. So even if you are from non-IT people or from any background, you can create your profile in Naukri or LinkedIn and you can look for a good job. Now, these are some my favorite platform, but there are so many platforms like Monster, Amcat Job, CoCube Jobs, or you can go to the company website and you can upload your resume there. So this is also a way you can apply for a job. So on the basis of your updation and skills, you can update your resume on company website if you have uploaded it there. Now, the thing is like how Google job search works. So I'll show you with an example. Like suppose you want to search for Amazon, like Amazon jobs opening. So just on Google type Amazon jobs opening and you will get something like that. Okay, now expand this and you can see in below there is a category, title, location. So this is what you can search or you can filter it out. So category, if you're science and engineering, admin office, account and finance, or you are looking for education, healthcare, personal care, or whatever. So these are the category in the Google job search. So basically what you have to write Amazon jobs opening, Cisco jobs opening, or any company name jobs opening. So the first suggestion will come from the Google, that is the Google job, search. Now you can see the title of the job, the data analyst, programmer, planning manager, whatever. You can have your preferred location. You can also check the date posted, so when the job was posted. So I want to see for the last 3 days whatever job has been posted. I want to see the type of job, whether internship, contractor, full time, or part time. Or you can check the company type. This is all about the filtering of a job. You can filter it out, and on the top there is a notification button. So if you click the job alert, then you will get mail whenever there is a job opening in Amazon in your email. So the Gmail that Google will keep on updating you on this. So this is all about your Google job search. Now let's see how Naukri works. So for that you need to have a Naukri profile. Now you can see my profile has been updated 43 weeks back. So as you can see on the screen, because I haven't updated my profile, here is a catch. I will tell you. Like Naukri, it's very easier to find a job. You will get the job, job from recruiter. You can get options, or you can get in recommendation jobs opening, or either you can go and search for a job whatever you are looking for, on profile based or the location based. It's all your preference. Now, the next thing I want to share about my Naukri experience, like I got a job, many job calls from Naukri. Presently, you cannot see any, any, uh, recruiter email or anything notification. You are not seeing on my screen. But basically, what happened in Naukri, if you are updating your profile every week, now how every week we can update our profile? We cannot, right? So basically, what happened whenever a recruiter is coming on Naukri, they filtered out the candidate who has updated their profile recently. So on Naukri, those people only update their profile who is looking for a job. So basically, if your profile is updated, then you will definitely get more and more suggestions, more and more calls. So keep on updating your profile weekly basis. Now, weekly basis, how I can add or subtract any skills weekly basis. So basically, what I did while I was looking for a job, I have created, I have made two, resume. One with the name of Amita underscore Singh resume.pdf. Another resume was something like Amita underscore CV.pdf. So what I used to do, on every weekend, I used to upload one of the resume. So what happened on the top, it will be written like the profile has been updated recently. So because of that, I used to get so many calls while I was looking for a job. So this is the best way, and nobody is going to tell you like this is a trick to get the calls from Naukri. So you can apply it, and you will get to know like how frequently you are getting notifications from recruiter. So this is a hack or trick which I have experienced in Naukri profile. Now the third application which I would prefer is LinkedIn. Now, how you can search a job on LinkedIn? If you have a profile on LinkedIn, then there is an option called jobs. Go to there, and you will if your profile is updated. First thing, you should keep a note that your profile is 100% updated. Now you can search for a job. I want to search as a software developer, or software engineer. You can filter it out there. This is same as what we saw in the Google job search. You can filter on the basis of company, on the basis of job time posted, or on the basis of whether you are looking for part-time, full-time, internship, or whatever. So basically, this is my favorite platform to search for a job. In LinkedIn, I would also tell you, like, be connect with more and more HRs from different company. So it will definitely help you out. Why? Because HRs or the recruiter from different company, they post any opening on the LinkedIn. So if you are in a contact with HRs, or in a connection with HRs, then you will definitely get to know whenever there is an opening in that company. So how you can connect with the HR? Go to one HR profile in the in the connections of that HR. You can see so many HRs from different companies. So that way you can create more and more connections with HRs. That will really help you out. So these are the basic platform I use to look for a job. And other, you can create your, and I will highly recommend you to update your profile or create your profile if you haven't any, and start looking for a job if you have, if you are planning for a job, if you are planning for a switch, then it's a best possible way you can get, or you can search a better opportunity or a better job in your favorite company or in your favorite profile. So hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, please press thumbs up. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button, and you can also press the bell icon to get the notification. And that will really help me out. And that is really encouraging to see your thumbs up. So please don't forget to press thumbs up. Thank you for watching.